The convention, as I said earlier, women only the first day, men and women both the second day. The way they refer to it is a little tough because they're always going to like, oh, it'll be open to all. Like it's almost, there's a phrasing of that's almost not, it's not good enough to just have the women there. And it's kind of hard. They're still in that mindset, but they do some different little things. One of the big things they'll do on the second day is they actually ask two of the husbands, Mott's husband and McClintock's husband, to be the chairs or presidents of the convention. Mott is older at the time and not feeling great, so he'll do the morning and McClintock will do the afternoon. It's this kind of weird thing where the women who organized this and made this all happen are going to ask two men to be the chairs because it was so improper for women to be in that kind of role at the time. So it's a tough part to it.